When was the last time you reclaimed your peace? If you haven't done it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Alright guys, today's topic I want to talk to you guys about reclaiming your peace, reclaiming your mantra, reclaiming your energy, reclaiming all of that good things. You gotta learn how to make peace with things that already occurred already, good or bad. You know, you can't dwell on something that happened in the past. You can only go forward. So make peace with that. You become who you hang around with. So make sure the people you hang around with are uplifting, inspiring, motivational. Be around positive people and you see what happens. For you to reclaim your peace, just know that you don't have to prove anything to anybody. Let them be wrong. Just know that if you're right, then you're always going to be right. You don't have to prove to people that you're capable of something. As long as you know that you're capable of it, then you're good. Whatever they do to you, don't do it back to them. If they bring you negative energy, shoot them back with something positive. Do the opposite. You know, don't be like them because you're better than that. So reclaim your energy. Reclaim your peacefulness. If you want to reclaim your peace, if you're wrong about something, hold yourself accountable. Reclaiming your peace and finding peace is better than revenge. Remember that, y'all. And just remember, guys, the happiness of your life is the quality of your thoughts. Don't stress too much about the circumstances that you're going through in your life. You know, just chill. Things that's going to happen are supposed to happen. Remember that. Alright guys, I just want to make a quick video of how to reclaim your peace of mind back, because a lot of times we let our mind wander off and we think a lot of bad things. That means we're attracting bad energy. You know, it's good to have a peaceful mind, a peaceful state of mind, than to have anything negative in our mind frame. Without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. See you guys next time on the next motivational, inspirational video. Let's get it, let's go.